tell me.
La pista está inundada, bro.
There's no way a plane is going to fly out of that until they fix that problem. But you're going to see a lot better when we get up here.
Mm-hmm. Wow,
Look,
yes.
you telling me how you going to fly a plane out of that? And FedEx is in big trouble because there's a building ahead that is a FedEx building. It's almost halfway underwater. You telling me how you gonna fly out of this thing? There's no way to fly out of this thing.
My God.
You cannot fly out of this thing. You need the runway to fly.